Peugeot 407. This one's quite an interesting one on the electric mirrors on a 407. These are what they call power folding mirrors. When you press the key and lock the car, they fold inwards like so, and when you unlock them they fold outwards. So if your car has these type of mirrors on them, power folding mirrors, and you're having problems with them, they're either wobbling on the car, they wobble like so, you get playing in this mechanism here, and sometimes the motor's packing where they fold in so far and they won't go back out again. I did a video on this once before and I got a bit criticised because people, what's the point of taking it to pieces if you can't repair it? But you don't know, if you take them to pieces, you don't know, do you? So anyway, this is another video. I found some very interesting things on this actual Peugeot 407 mirror. There underneath there, if you see it from the bike, there is the module, this piece here, this big block here. This bit does all the singing, dancing, moves the mirror in and out. Now you can't buy a module for a 407, a Peugeot 407 with power folding mirrors. You cannot buy the module. You can't buy any parts for it, anything, anywhere. But you can buy a Volvo one. This is for a Volvo, and it's exactly the same. It fits underneath there like so, and it also fits a Jaguar as well. So if you're having problems with your Peugeot 407 power folding mirrors that don't fold in and out, or they wobble because of this actual component, this is the module. Now I'll just show you, you can buy this online. So if you're having problems with your 407 mirrors, you can't buy this for a 407, but a Volvo one and a Jaguar fits. And I'll just show you on my other phone. Right, let's just shift that out of the way, and we'll just switch my other phone on. Like so. You can buy these. It's exactly the same thing as this, as you can see. They are left-handed and right-handed, so you have to make sure you buy what you're looking for. But as you can see there, it says this is from As Giant AliExpress, and they fit a Jaguar, exactly the same. And if you flick across, it also fits a Volvo. It's cheaper to buy it for the Volvo, exactly the same. So it's identical part, as you can see. In fact, that actual photo there is like that. That says for a Jaguar, as you can see if it zooms in. Sorry, for a Volvo. And you flick across and it's exactly the same photo. The same thing. Now I found another little interesting thing as well. You can buy from AliExpress the cogs and the gears that fit inside them. The original one has a plastic gear inside it, so they wear. So if you buy one and it's got the plastic gear, you can buy an upgraded gear that's made out of metal. Super duper. Yeah, that's what you're thinking. Yeah, so it doesn't wear. So if you've got a Peugeot 407 and your power folding mirrors are not folding in and not folding out and wobbling about, you can repair them with Volvo parts or Jaguar parts. And there you go. AliExpress. Zoom in, you bloody thing. Shitey phone. Well, you've just seen it. It's just my phone's rubbish. You can hardly. There we go. Volvo power folding, and you can buy them left and right, and they deliver them globally. AliExpress. Hope this helps you if you've got a Peugeot 407 with power folding mirrors that don't power fold. If you've got a Peugeot 407 and the mirrors don't fold in and out, they stay stationary, then you've got the box standard model. This video doesn't apply to you. They don't slag me off and say, oh, we're a waste of time. But this is how you take them to pieces. They're not mega hard to take to pieces. You put something down the side of the glass, pop the glass off, then you undo 3 torques, take this off, then behind it you'll find 3 screws. You take the 3 screws off, then take this off. Once you've got that off, you turn it round and you see all your wires. Now this is the only problem, is the wires come down, they've got block connectors, and so they won't come through this hole, and this end won't come. So you've got to cut the wire, then rejoin them afterwards. Drill the 2 little holes out, take the other piece off, this piece, then you to your module. Knock 2 little pins out, take the module off, cut the little clip, take your module off, put your new module on, click it on. Once it's clicked on, put some new fixings in here, some bolts or something. They won't obscure anything because there's quite a bit of distance between the cover. Put this new piece on, put the outer piece back on this piece, put this piece back on, 3 screws back on. That's for your tilting your mirror sideways and up and down, electric. And then reconnect your wires wherever they've gone. There, obviously there's 8 wires in there, you've got to cut them and just reconnect them. I jointed it where it's inside the car, so it's waterproof. So basically I resoldered it, each shrunk on it, taped it up so no water can get in it, and that's one that's been rebuilt there. Another one rebuilt, because you can buy one second hand, but if you buy one for a Peugeot second hand, they stopped making the car in 2011. So you'll find that the one that you buy second hand is probably, you know, not very good. So you can recondition this up to make it like new. You can even buy this bit from AliExpress. It's only £8 for that piece, if the mirrors don't twist up and down to adjust to your way you're driving. But if that's a different thing. But if they're not folding in and out, you can buy this module. And whereabouts have I just put it? I'll just put it down somewhere. I can't find it. Anyway, that's and then the cover, just literally the back cover fits on the back, and that just clips over. You colour code it to your car. Mine's blue, so just resprayed that one. So yeah, hope this helps you if you've got a Peugeot 407 with power folding mirrors. If it's standard mirrors, ignore this video. It's no use to you. Bye bye. Hope it saves you some money.